What's up, guys? We're at high stakes. Do some high stakes action, lightning link. There's our majors. We're going for that 907. That's what we came for. We're here with D, Slot Lizards. Oh. We're gonna play some 2-cent denom, $2 or $5 bets. All right. Okay, that clearly didn't work.
Turn it up.
Oh, yeah, pump up the volume. Games here. Alright, we got one case, we need 2 cases. That would have been nice.
Oh my goodness.
Big numbers. Hit it. There we go. Big old $10. There we go. A little action. $40. Hit it. Almost. Come on, lady link. Yeah, there we go. Some big numbers. Finally. Come on, don't do that to me. Come on. There we go. Another $50. Come on. I'll take it. Keeps us alive. Hit it.
Big number.
Yeah, another $50. Last spin. Come on, save it. Yeah. Come on. Hit it. Yeah. Let's do it. Let's hit the grand. up there. That's a solid win. 581. Yeah, buddy.
All right.
I'm gonna let this count out for a little bit. All right, let's hit it. There we go.
All right.
So what are we at? Going down to 600?
Sure.
Going down to 600. Back to back.
Oh my goodness, with the minor.
With a minor, 250 bucks. Yeah, buddy.
Holy cow.
That's what we're talking about. Always do your backup spins, man. Always do your backup
Yeah,
spins.
another minor. Oh,
Come on, another minor. All right, come on,
Trips
save
first.
it. Do it. Ow! We'll take it. Yeah, 331. Yeah, buddy.
I don't know. It's happening here.
We're just gonna let this one go for a little bit. Savor the flavor.
All right, let's hit it.
All right. All right, so 965, I say we go to 900.
Yeah.
Back to back to back.
Triple back.
Oh!
Oh, wow.
Oh man, too bad he wasn't right there. That would have been really good. Yeah, that was 45 bucks. 1,000 bucks.
We just call it? I say we call it.
Dude, all right. D says we're calling it. I mean, you can't argue with 1,000 on the Nizzlies.
Yeah.
So we're gonna call it right there, guys. It's a great video. Thanks for watching, Slot Lizards. That was definite, yeah, buddy. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.